Hi everyone, Mosens here with my first video tutorial, and it's on the Wolfmoon rising that I posted a few weeks ago. I promised a tutorial, and here we are. The skyline photo and the finger video are already loaded into the media pool. In the timeline, the middle finger is loaded on the top layer. Go to the Fusion page, go to a frame where the hand is visible, click on the median one, shift space, type magic mask, that's the paid feature by the way, and draw a line on the subject and click drag forward and backward. It will take a few seconds, and back to the main timeline. Check if everything's working to your liking, then holding Alt in Windows or Option in Mac, just drag the skyline layer on top of this finger. The reason is we want to mask a portion of this new layer so the finger appears to move behind it. So with the new layer selected, go back to Fusion and do the same thing. Shift and space, type magic mask, and then draw a line on your subject. This is a complex subject, so try better and do drag forward and backward. And we are done. Back to the timeline. Using keyframes and transformations, simulate the moonrise. Normally rises from the left hand side and leaves the frame on the upper right. It also appears a little bigger closer to the skyline, and as it ascends, it gets smaller. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.